Unraveling the meaning of doesn't hold water. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that you might have heard or read somewhere. Doesn't hold water. Understanding idioms like this is crucial for mastering English, as they enrich your conversational skills and make you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, doesn't hold water, is used to describe an argument, explanation, or theory that is full of flaws, weaknesses, or is simply not logical or valid. Just like a container with holes cannot hold water, an argument that doesn't hold water is one that cannot stand up to scrutiny or examination. It's a way to express that something is not sound or convincing enough. To fully appreciate this idiom, it's helpful to know a bit about its origins. While the exact history can be a bit murky, it's generally agreed that the phrase, doesn't hold water, has practical roots. In the past, containers were essential for carrying water. If a container had any holes or cracks, it would leak, rendering it useless for its intended purpose. This practical scenario beautifully transitioned into a metaphorical expression, used to critique the solidity of arguments or theories. Using doesn't hold water in conversation or writing shows a sophisticated grasp of English. It's perfect for debates, discussions, or even casual conversations when you want to express doubt or skepticism about the validity of something someone has said. Here are a few examples. His alibi doesn't hold water. There are too many inconsistencies in his story. The theory doesn't hold water under closer inspection. That excuse doesn't hold water. You're going to need a better reason than that. Remember, it's a critical phrase, so use it thoughtfully and constructively. To get comfortable with this phrase, try creating your own sentences or finding situations where you might apply it. Discuss with friends, use it in writing, or think about arguments you've heard recently and assess if they hold water. And there you have it, a deep dive into the idiom, doesn't hold water. We hope this explanation clarifies its meaning, origins, and use for you. Idioms like this one are the spices of the English language, adding flavor and color to our conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to sprinkle your dialogues with idioms to sound more like a native. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.